Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to clear cache in Likee apps. But before we continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you have to go to your Likee apps on your phone, and I'm gonna tap it right now. After that, tap on the three lines icon at the top left of your screen. And now in the bottom you will see the settings and you have to tap on it. After that, when you see clear storage under general session, you have to tap on it. And now select the files you want to clean by tap it, or you can check all here. Finally, press the clean button in the bottom with the red background. Wait for a minute and yeah, congrats! You cleared the cache in the Likee apps. So guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!